Good morning, student. How are you today? Well, as usual, I hope that you are fine because this week you are still doing your reading assignment. Okay, and as usual too, I will send you the reading tutorial that helps you to read if you don't know how to read the words or sentences. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. The moon is in the sky. Number 2, I asked the students to swim in the pool. Number 3, she eats the cake with the spoon. Number 4, we will go to the zoo this weekend. Number 5, my brother buys me a book. Number 6, she cooks a fried chicken for me. Number 7, I put the wood on the floor. Number 8, look at your right foot. It is so dirty. Okay, now we will go to the second part. One sunny day, a little mouse named Mimi finds a letter in the mail. Mimi packs her pillow, a small bottle of oil for her boat. She ran as fast as her little can go to the river. She puts oil on the boat's wheel. She sailed off toward the big sea. Grandpa waits her by his cozy house. Now we go to the third part. My little sister claps and she looks at the plane. She brings a flag and hold it slowly. A truck moves on the road and the smell is bad. She plays on the grass. She wants to go to the shop and buy candy. Now we go to the fourth part. My father buys a rake and give it to Dave. My mother cuts the line. A cute rose grows, brightening the lane. Dave hopes for more. He can go alone and listen to a tune from the sweet music. Well, after that we will read the bahasa Indonesia. Okay? Nomor 1, itu ada udang. Nomor 2, ada udang di laut. Nomor 3, udang merah warnanya. Udang hidup di kali. Nomor 5, udang laut enak rasanya. Nomor 6, aku suka makan udang. Sekarang kita ke bagian nomor 2. Kami senang ikut ke pesta. Kami memberikan kado sebuah bola merah yang cantik. Kami melihat orang baca cerita di atas panggung. Adik kemarin sakit. Sekarang sudah sehat dan gemuk. Oke, sekarang kita akan ke bagian ketiga. Kami berkemah di malam hari. Kami melihat bintang di langit. Kelip, tetapi tidak ada warna. Kami mendengar suara kata. Kaki Doni terasa nyeri. Kami berkemah dekat danau. Well, that's all for the reading tutorial. As usual, don't forget to practice this and don't forget to send your reading video to our WhatsApp group, okay? Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.